everybody. This is our last activity for this week. These are little snack, 4th of July snacks, and you got a little bag like this with some, I guess they're called pretzel snaps. They're like little squares. And then some 4th of July M&Ms and some white chocolate almond bark. So what you're gonna do is you're first gonna start with taking the almond bark out, and you're gonna put it in a microwave safe bowl. So probably a glass one, or we need a bowl just like this, one that can go in the microwave. If you look on the bottom, it'll say, well, this one doesn't, I guess, but a lot of them will say microwave, do not microwave. And if it says do not microwave, don't put it in the microwave. But you can ask a parent or an adult what they suggest for it. So this is the almond bark. You're just gonna put that in the microwave, and what we did was put it in for about 30 seconds, take it out, and then it's probably not gonna be done, so then you'll stir it a little bit, and if it's not done, if it's still hard, you put it in for another 30 seconds, stir it. The reason that you only want to do it for 30 seconds at a time is because you don't know how strong your microwave is gonna be, and we don't want it to burn and start a fire. So you'll start 30 seconds, stir it, 30 seconds, stir it. Ask a parent before you do this. They might want to help you with this part. But we already did this just so that you wouldn't have to wait while we were making it. So when you're done, it should look like this. It should be there shouldn't be any lumps, and you should be able to stir it no problem, okay? So after you've done that, you can take your pretzels, and they're all in individual bags, so they're, you're gonna have to open them up. And then you're just gonna some of them may be broken, and I'm sorry. Now like that one's broken, so guess what you're gonna do? Eat it. So I'll just take them and just kind of line them up, the ones that aren't broken. There might be a few from transferring. That one's kind of broken, but I'm gonna still use it. And you'll just kind of line those all up. That one's kind of broken, too broken. Whatever's left, you can just eat it. And you may not have enough M&Ms for each one of these because we're kind of accounting for that some of them may be broken. So I'm actually going to take that one out. And I think all the rest of mine are broken. So those are ones I just get to eat while I'm making this stuff. Now, remember, before you bake something or cook something, you should always wash your hands before you do that. So I'm going to take my white chocolate, and I'm going to just put a little bit on at a time. And I'm just gonna lightly put it on each pretzel. You don't need a lot. You don't want it to overflow off of it. And I forgot to mention that you should probably put some wax paper on underneath it if you have it. If you don't have any wax paper, you could just do it on a plate. But what will happen is these are gonna maybe sink through, as you can see, and go onto the wax paper. And if it does, then it won't stick to the wax paper. So I'm just gonna keep going. I might not do all of them. I'll just do some of them to start. And if it goes a little bit off, that's okay. And just keep going. I'm gonna start with 4 of them just to show you how to do this, but you can do all of them or as many as you can get done. And if you don't have enough white chocolate, that's okay. Then you just get to eat the pretzels. So, and then here are my M&Ms. And you're just gonna put them on top. You don't have to do all of them. I'm just gonna do maybe one of each color or something on mine. So I have enough. You can always add more if you have extras. You can kind of see that. And yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna do 4 for now. And that's just what they look like. They're really cute, really easy. And if you wanted to, and you wanted to make more for a 4th of July party or something, you could go get more of this stuff from the store. But that is it. And then you're just gonna let it harden. If you want to eat it right now, if you're really impatient, you can. It probably a little bit, melt. It'll probably melt and is messy, but that's okay. But let them sit, I'd say, for probably about 5 minutes, and then they should be ready to go. But like I said, if you want to eat them right away, that is fine. But that is it. That's our activity for today. Send us your pictures so we can see how it is, and then we hope you all have a great 4th of July weekend. Be safe if you're doing fireworks. They can be very dangerous, so be safe with those, but have lots of fun. See ya!